Today we're going to be replacing the Vitamix blade. This Vitamix blade is actually wobbling back and forth. You can actually see it. The bearings are completely shot, and I have a new blade here. Interesting thing to note, Vitamix has a procedure on how to take this off, and I need to knock this. I don't have a tool. This just unscrews from here, so I'm going to grab a tool. There we go. All right, so this piece just comes off. And the funny thing is, on the website, they say this is a non-user replaceable part now, which is super strange. Doesn't make any sense to me. On their YouTube channel, they actually have a video of one of their engineers replacing this. And it's as easy as that. It just kind of screws on, just like that. Easy peasy. But when I called Vitamix the other day to ask them about where to get parts for this particular model, I'll put the model on the screen. So I bought my model from Costco, and they were telling me that the only way that I could get this replaced is by buying an entirely new blender piece. Now I really like Vitamix, but man, I did not love that response. So that's tight enough for me. So bearing is back to normal. I'll put the Amazon part in the link in the description of what I bought. This is actually an Amazon part. I've done this before. So this whole bearing section came loose. See how it's wiggling this way? They last about 2 years. So it's better than getting, $120. I think this part was like $18 or something. So it's a good way to keep it running for another couple of years without spending a ton of money and without a lot of waste. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.